This video explains how to check the current time in another time zone. Press the mode button to return to timekeeping mode. In timekeeping mode, press the mode button 3 times to select world time mode. The right digital display shows the currently selected world time city. And the left digital display shows the current time in the world time city. Press the forward button to scroll through the available city codes. Hold down the adjust button for about 3 seconds to enable the daylight saving time. Same way, hold down the adjust button to disable the daylight saving time. Hold down both adjust and reverse buttons until the watch beeps to swap the home city and world time city. Press the mode button to return to timekeeping mode.